ladies, welcome back to Gray Your Way. I am Faith, and I have promised to show you guys my way of searching for units online, whether it's human or synthetic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to narrate this, so I'm going to show you like the websites and things and show you the things that I choose and the way that I do research so that I can get the best deal and make sure that I find the units that I'm looking for. So let's get started. For synthetic hair, the first thing I do is go to the manufacturer's websites like Outre, Sensational, and Bobbi Boss. And I check them out probably about once a week or once every 2 weeks so that I can see if they have anything new and what kind of colors are coming out. Lately, I've also been going to Elevate Styles, and the reason I'm doing that is because Elevate Styles, for some reason, they're getting the new units even before some of the manufacturers show them on their website. So I've been going to Elevate Styles to see the new Outre and Sensational units because they'll be on Elevate Styles before they're on the manufacturer's site, if you can believe that. Once a unit is released and I know that I want it, then I start going to Google and doing my own search. I'll type in the name of the wig and then I'll see what pops up. And usually you'll see several different companies, websites that are offering the wig, that are selling the wig. And I look and compare prices. But not only do I compare prices, but I also compare the shipping because some of them are more expensive for shipping than others. If I'm looking for a particular color, I usually go to So Good BB because here I can actually type in the color that I want, and So Good BB is going to show me every wig that they are selling that is in that particular color. And that's what I really love about that website. Now, if I want to get a really good look at the color, I go to Hair So Fly. And the reason being is that Hair So Fly has large pictures that show you the color. I really like that. And they also do something else that other websites do not do. They actually will show you the wig in the box in all the different colors that it's offered in. And I think that is invaluable because if you can do that, then you can really sell that unit, I believe, because people can see exactly what you have in terms of every color that that wig happens to come in. So that's what I really love about Hair So Fly. RPG Show is probably my best favorite website to get a human hair wig, and it's because I always get really good quality from them. They'll give you a 200 to 200% density unit. The quality is just good. The packaging is great, and I just have always loved them. I bought a couple of wigs from them, and I've actually done some reviews for them as well. So I do like RPG Show, even though they can be a little pricey, but I will go to the clearance section first to get a unit from them because their prices on clearance are usually half what you would expect from a normal good quality human hair website. So check out the clearance section at RPG Show. One last thing I'll say about human hair websites is be careful when you're looking at the pictures. Check out the actual mannequin and the hair on the mannequin because that's more likely what you're going to get. Another thing that's really important when you're checking out human hair is that make sure that the choices that they offer you, that you really check out the choices correctly. If it says that you can get a 10-inch, 16, 20, make sure you choose the right one. If it has different color lace, make sure you choose the right color lace. If it's telling you that you can get a 13x6 with an elastic band or a 13x4 without an elastic band, pay attention to the choices before you hit that pay button. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am real picky when it comes to finding my units, and I check all kinds of things, as you saw, and it's really important to do that to make sure you're getting the best deal and also to find the unit that you're looking for. Let me just say a word about people who sell units on Amazon. I don't have any problem with influencers making money selling units on Amazon. I do the same thing. It's especially helpful to buy a wig from an influencer on Amazon because That's how they're making their money, okay? They're making their money by getting a cut of the sale from Amazon. So I don't have any problem with that. Also, the good thing about buying the unit on Amazon is that a lot of times you won't be able to find the color that you're looking for on the other websites because it sells out really fast. But the unit that's on Amazon usually has the color that you want. Not all the time, but usually. So those are two really good units. Two really good reasons to get your unit off of Amazon if you can't find it anyplace else as well. So I just want to throw that in there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please continue to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok especially, because I'm there all the time. I'm going to be bringing you guys some more units in the coming months, so just stay tuned for that. Again, take care, and we'll see you next time.